Keyshot Live Linking interface has been updated to support version 11. The Keyshot Live Linking interface provides a means to quickly share data between our app and Keyshot using in-memory data transfers. Geometry, part names, colors are all shared with Keyshot. Using part names, changes in our app will quickly update those parts that have changed while preserving Keyshot materials you may have applied. Let's show an example where we modify a part by removing faces and then just updating that part with Keyshot.